I am currently working on an Igor project. I will build Frankenstein also, as long as this project holds up for me. I am printing this file much larger than it was intended. I hope it holds up. Right now I only have the boots coming in the legs. You see the boots right there. As I progress further, I will show some more progress. But as of right now, this is as far as Igor is. So let's take a look at the screen. 38% into the project. I'm running this stable at 80%, not at 100%. So it's going to take a little longer than I intended. But I want to make sure it's stuck to the table and nothing broke or any issues. So as I progress, I will add a bit more video to this. Okay, right now it's 44%. Let's see, it's kind of dark in there, but show the progress as it's going along. I'm going to come back at 60% and shoot a little footage. So far it's hanging in there. I'm amazed that it hasn't come loose from the plate. There's not much supporting the boots, but it held. So hopefully, after we get beyond this 50% mark and get up around 60, I will come back in and shoot some more footage. %. This is the finished Igor, whatever you'd like to call him. I started putting a little filler on there to cover up some of the build lines. I mean, it came out pretty good. Yeah, 3D print. I'm printing with PLA, not with resin. So for PLA, he came out pretty good. Let me lay him down. I'll show a little extra. Yeah, he was building on some support here, so I had to fill in a lot of the build lines that were under there from being built on support. And that, I have to clean up the bottom. I don't even have to worry about cleaning up the bottom here, but I may. I don't know. But there he is. I actually built him because it's going to be a Halloween project I'm working on for the wife. I also did Frankenstein with the PLA, who he's caught. But there's Frank. He's going to be part of the project. that I'm going to put together for my wife, so it's a display for Halloween. I didn't have to do a lot of cleaning on Frank, actually. He came out pretty clean. Oh, I keep dropping them all over. Frank came out pretty clean. You know, the detail isn't all that great. I mean, it's not terrible, but it definitely is not a resin detailed print. You can see what happened to the fingers there in the build. Yeah, I can clean that up no problem. A little filler on his fingers. They're not awful. Not awful. Decent. Got a little cleanup I gotta do there. A little stringer in the middle there, you know, and then he was standing on his feet, of course. He was on the plate standing up. There's the top of his head. I mean, it's not awful. It's very passable. It'll be perfect for the little Halloween display. Yeah, but that's it. Just messing around with the 3D printer. I printed up Frank and Igor, or Igor, whatever you would prefer to call him. Little project I was working on, just having a little fun building toys with my printer. I put together that recently also, but this was my new project. As I said, building it for my wife for a display for Halloween. Alright folks, y'all take care. Hope to talk to you next time. Bye.